So here we are on page number 8 in your student handbook, and we're finding position. A position, simply the intersection between a line of latitude and a line of longitude. So let's take a look at this one. It says 41 degrees, number 2. It says 41 degrees, 15.4 minutes north, okay, by 72 degrees, 4 minutes west, or 0.4 minutes west. So I like to look at the longitude first because the position, it's either going to be on the left side of the chart or it's going to be on the right side of the chart. So when I find the longitude, it kind of tells me that. And that way, when I mark the latitude, I know whether to mark it on the left side of the chart or on the right side of the chart. So I'm going to take a look at this. It says 72 degrees and 0.4 minutes west. So here's 72. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to make a mark right here. Okay. And there's 72 degrees and 0.4 minutes west. So I know when I mark the latitude, I'm going to mark it on the left side of the chart on the scale of latitude. So I don't have to work a really long way. I don't have to move my parallel rules really far, a lot of movement, more likely to have an error. So when I find 41 degrees, 15.4, so 41 is at the bottom of the chart. Here's 10, 15.4. I simply make a mark. Okay, and now I connect those two lines, the line of latitude and the line of longitude. If you connect those, you have a position. So let's go ahead and we'll draw those two lines. So 15.4, I'm going to start right about here, and I put the parallel rule along a nearby line of latitude, and I carefully bring that up to my 15.4 mark. Okay, and I can look up here and I can see where the longitude is. So rather than drawing a really long line, I'm just going to draw a short line in the area that I think I need to be in. Now I do the same thing. I can mark the longitude. So I start on a nearby line of longitude with the outer edge of my parallel rule, and I bring that over to my mark. Okay, in this case it's 72 degrees, 0.4 minutes west, and I simply draw where those two lines intersect, and that is my position right here, which lands me right on the sounding on the chart, which was 77. So I'm going to write that down. If you plotted this correctly, you should have ended up right on the sounding 77 on the chart. Okay.